going on here, Dylan?
Domination.
Hey, make sure that don't fall on you. Just relax. You don't need to get all under it. Relax. Let go. Let go. Just guide it in. Just push it into the truck. There you go, bro. Good job. Just push it.
There we go.
All right, get that wheel up. Let it. He's gonna let it down. There you go.
Come on, Dylan.
Get in there and empty that bitch.
Yeah. That low.
Ah.
Done.
Just lay it on the ground. There you go, bro. Perfect. Take it off your wheels. Just lay it down.
There you go.
And then roll it. Yeah, pull it to the back.
Come on, next one.
Come on, next one up, Ethan. Let me